Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. There's something so comforting about a warm bowl of Rajma, isn't there? It's one of my absolute favorites, and today I'm so excited to share this hearty home-style recipe with you. Let's make it together step by step. Soak 1 and 1/4 cup of Rajma in water overnight. In the morning, throw the water out and wash the Rajma 3 times with plain water. Then transfer the Rajma into a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the Rajma or add water as required. Add salt. Mix it well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and let it cook until 4 whistles come and then let it cool. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of ing. Mix it. Add half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 2 bay leaves, 2 chilies, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 button chili. Mix it. Add 1 big chopped onion. Saute on medium flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt. Add 1 teaspoon of Recheado masala. The link of the Recheado masala recipe is in the description. One-third cup plus little less than 1/3 cup of tomato puree. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. One teaspoon of coriander powder. The Rajma are cooked well. Transfer the Rajma into the pan. Mix well. Soak little tamarind in water, squeeze it and add the juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Goan garam masala powder. You can add little Maggi cube powder and mix well. You can taste the gravy and check if more salt is required and add it accordingly. Add few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Let it simmer for a few minutes. I am adding 1 slit green chili. This Rajma recipe is so close to my heart and I hope it becomes a favorite in your home too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who'd love a warm plate of Rajma. Rajma masala curry is ready. Switch off the flame. Serve it with steamed rice, chapatis and a few slices of onion on the side. Rajma might be simple, but when made right, it's magic. I hope you enjoyed cooking it with me today. I'll see you in the next video with another delicious recipe. Until then, happy cooking and take care.